Unlock your entrepreneurial potential right here in Ethiopia by transforming your creative ideas into profitable products with Printify, a game-changing print-on-demand platform. First, head over to the Printify website, look for the Sign Up or Get Started button, usually prominently displayed. Click it and follow the prompts to create your account. You'll typically need an email address and to set a password. Remember to choose a strong password. Once logged in, it's time for the fun part, designing. Navigate to the product catalog. Printify offers a vast range of items, from shirts and hoodies to mugs and phone cases. Select the product you envision for your customers. After selecting your product, you'll enter the design editor. This intuitive tool allows you to upload your own artwork, add text, or even use Printify's extensive graphics library. Experiment with colors and placement until your design is perfect. With your product designed, the next crucial step is connecting your Printify account to an e-commerce platform. Look for the My Stores or Integrations section. Printify seamlessly integrates with popular platforms like Shopify, Etsy, and WooCommerce, making it easy to list your creations. Once connected, you can publish your designed product directly to your online store. When a customer in Ethiopia or anywhere else places an order, Printify automatically handles the printing, packaging, and shipping directly to your customer. You simply focus on marketing and creating. Embrace the power of Printify to build your own thriving online business from Ethiopia without the hassle of inventory or complex logistics. Start your journey today.